What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the vlog. As you guys can tell, we have the whole engine here. This is very greasy and dirty, and so basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking apart each individual part, painting it and popping it back on, and then hopefully dropping the engine back into the chassis today. Chassis had a day and a half to dry now, so that's pretty solid there. Next thing to do is we're just going to take off each individual part, give it a little spray down, and pop her back on. Without further ado, let's get onto it. Yep. Dirty. Oh my gosh, guys, I've been literally using this blowtorch right there to get all of it, melt the grease. You guys can kind of tell how I've gotten all in there. You can actually see all of the bolts now. Before you couldn't, it was all just a big glob. So my hope is that what we'll do is we're gonna burn off the majority of the grease and then go to the store, get the engine gunk, and just go over this whole thing, and then everything should just fall right off. So we're coming along really well. Let's just keep going. Looky there, this thing cleaned up really nice. Wow, that's impressive. So what we're gonna do tomorrow is we're gonna spray all this down, maybe pressure wash it, and go from there. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button because I've been daily for over 6 months now. Haven't missed a single upload. Without further ado, I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next one. Nothing left to say. I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.